In this video, we're going to be talking about decomposition reactions. The easy way to remember a decomposition reaction is it's essentially the opposite of a synthesis reaction. So remember, in synthesis reactions, we were taking elements or simple compounds and we were combining those to make more complex compounds. So in this case, we are taking a compound that is more complex and we are breaking it down into simpler compounds or elements. So remember that definition right there. Right below it, we have an example. This is water being broken down into hydrogen and oxygen. Notice this little L on the water. That tells you that it is a liquid, and you'll typically see that mostly with water. The G for gas is next to hydrogen as well as oxygen. So notice in this case, it was broken down from water, which is a more complex compound, into the elements that make up water. The next one we see down here at the bottom, we have this CaCO3, and it is a solid, and it's being broken down into CaO and CO2. And notice these ones are not individual elements, but they are simpler compounds than what we started with. So it's still considered decomposition, whether it's going from a more complex compound to elements or a more complex compound and just to simpler compounds. So one easy way to remember this one is consider AB, which represents our more complex compound, which is broken down into A plus B. And just remember, A and B can either be elements or simple compounds.